Howdy YouTube. So today, it's not a normal video that I make, but I'm at my brother's shop and we just picked up this, well, the job he works at. He just picked up this actually for his shop. We can see if I get it going. It's an old Toyota from the 70s, the best I can figure. And we're gonna try getting it running. See what we come up with. Don't really know a whole lot more about it. All I know is it won't steal, but we'll get it figured out. What do we find? Lovely. Well, let's let them match to see what we can see about it now. Don't do that. But yeah, it's a little crusty. What do you say?
Yeah.
It might be better.
Pretty good.
Yeah, so we're gonna try getting that cleaned up. Yeah. See if we can save the original fuel tank. Hopefully we can. Be a lot more handy, but we'll let you know. So we did get it running. I didn't get that on video, but we got it running off. It's a bike clean. It works. The hydraulics went pulled up, so that's great. So yeah, now all we gotta do is just take around, see if we can get the fuel system working, and go from there. Anything to add to that?
Nope, that's it.
Alright, we'll bring y'all back. Okay, YouTube. So we fucked it. This is the crud that came out of that tank. We got it, well, pretty well clean as we could get it. I mean, a lot better than what it was. So I know it's hard to see on camera, but yeah, we got that done. Got all the old fuel drained out. Luckily the plug came right out the bottom, so that was always good. What's that? There's the sending, well, it was a sending unit on there. Get ready to put that back on. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, Amanda. And then we're gonna put some fuel in it and see what happens. See if we can get the old fuel pump primed up. And see if we can get it running. Now the one problem that we did know when we bought this was that the steering is locked up somehow. We haven't quite looked into that too much. We believe it's something to do with its gearbox down here. But we kind of want to get it moving first before we dive into doing that. But hopefully it's something somewhat simple, but we'll wait and see. Alright, we'll get these put on and we'll bring them back. Okay, YouTube, so it runs. I got it running, turn the fuel tank out, got some gas in it. Knows a little bit, but she runs, so that's the whole stuff. It works pretty well.
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube, so we went through and we took apart the gearbox. Well, the part's soaking at the moment, but we found we had some, everything was just seized up. It looked like it didn't get, got dry and then water got in it and rusted everything, but everything looks salvageable other than the bearings, but luckily all but one had numbers on it that we could get out. So we found them. They all metric because it's a Toyota forklift from the 70s, we believe. So, who would guess? This guy, he loves Toyotas, and Hondas would buy a Toyota forklift. Makes sense.
Yeah.
But yeah, so far so good. I mean, we still got to go through make sure the oil and transmission and all that. But I mean, we got it running, so probably need a battery. But other than that, I mean, how the hydraulics works, got a little leaks here and there, but nothing, little time and elbow grease I can't take care of. But you got anything to add?
Nope, just gotta get this one down.
Yeah. Hopefully I'll have a video coming up soon of this thing working and having it gearbox put back together. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Talk to y'all later.